Hi everyone, it's Dawn here. Welcome back. Well, today I thought I might try something a little different. I have my new air gun and I thought, well, you know what? Why don't we give it a try on camera for once? So while my 2-gallon air compressor that my husband so kindly lent me was pressurizing, I took my black and just put it around the outside because I want to start about here and blow it out and just see what we can get. So I have Acrylic in black and white, and then I have Liquitex Basics Deep Violet and Artist Loft in silver, and I put just a wee bit of silicone in the white and in the purple. So we'll see what we can get. Now I turn the air compressor off because it's all pumped up. So I am hoping now that there's enough air there to let me do what I want to do. So my plan was just to put little puddles down and blow them out. I do not have the pressure set very high. I remember watching a video where somebody said, oh, I do my gun at 30 psi. Well, I did my gun the first time I used it at 30 psi. And yeah, I have paint all over the back of my desk and my monitor and my speakers over there where my desk butts up against the art table. So yeah, I've got it much lower. I've got it about 18 to 20 here. So let's just see what we can do. I don't want it so strong that the paint flies where you don't want it to, right? So like that. Oh my goodness. That hit the wall 4 feet away. I'm gonna turn the pressure down just a little bit. I'm gonna have to clean that up eventually. Oh well. And I think the angle is important too. Not to go at a very low angle, because if you go like this, it just wants to go. As you just saw, it's everywhere. But you know, pour painting is messy anyway, so you know. There we go. We'll just pull that out a little bit more. So be careful here, because I'm sitting over here. I don't necessarily want to wear a whole lot of paint today. I like to think that the lower pressure gives me a little more control. Let's blow up this one. I have a whole bunch of cleaning to do. But you know what? I'm just keeping it real. This is what happens sometimes. Art can be messy. So let's add some other colors now. Maybe we'll stack them. I'm not sure how long my air pressure is going to last. And I really, really don't want to load it up on camera, mainly because it's so noisy. Oh my gosh, crazy noisy. So I don't know what we'll call this. An airbrushed puddle pour, maybe? Oh my gosh. I might have to give you all a shot of the back of my desk, because that's crazy looking back over there. Oh my gosh. But you know what? It's okay. Stuff happens. If you can't learn to roll with the unexpected, well, you're gonna have stress problems. A little bit of black maybe. I don't know. I haven't really done a lot of these paintings, and I I think I've only done a little bit of feathering out on camera, so yeah. You're learning with me. That's a nicer way of saying, I don't know what the heck I'm doing here. Looks like a bunch of cartoon eyes, doesn't it? Oh! Well, I think it's learning to go slow with the air. Or learn to use that trigger just a little bit easier. That looks kind of neat. Maybe we can make like a butterfly out of this. How much air do I have? I still have 80 pounds of pressure. I think I'm going to do this side and then maybe I'll turn it around. So A, it's easier to do, and B, I don't have to wear paint. Because I don't, yeah. Just not my thing. Kind of pretty the way the different colors mix and feather out, eh? Can you tell I'm Canadian? I use the word "a" probably way more than I should. It is what it is. Okay. Well, if it's going to be a butterfly, this butterfly's wing needs to be a little... Oh my gosh! There we go. Well, you know what? For the next time I use this, I am going to put up a sheet of plastic. I thought I had... Oh, this is... Okay. Thing is, I'm going to turn this, but then it makes my gloves messy. It's like, oh. Now I'll get paint on my gun, so I'm going to have to take a second and wipe my gloves. Bear with me. My paper towels are behind me. Oh, and I'm almost out too. Well, that's alright. We got enough to finish this project, so that's alright. I do like how the colors have mixed and are a little bit wispy on the edges, and man, there's a lot of cool looking cells popping up over there. Alright, let me grab the gun. I'll have at her again. I think if I'm going to leave it as butterfly wings, I'm going to have to come in with some black and fill in the spots that are not... I should have brought the black in closer to the middle. But I didn't have the butterfly idea until I saw how this was turning out. Okay. Easy, Dawn. Don't spray your monitor. Maybe I'll have to try a hair dryer. Maybe that'll be a little more friendly to my stuff. What do you think? Oh! Yeah, this trigger is a little, you have to put just the right amount of pressure, not too much. Or you end up moving more paint than you meant to. Wow, okay. Oh my goodness. Well, you know what? I think that's a pretty good start to my butterfly. So I think what I'm going to do is shut the camera down, touch it up, and I'll come back and show you what I have. And I'll take a shot of the back of my desk here just because it's pretty amusing. So I'll be back in just a moment. Here is the back of my desk. There's a little bit of paint there. Okay, so this is what happened. I got a straw out to try to blow things around, and I didn't like it. Now, I'd already taken my gloves off, and I tried to move the painting. Yeah, so I'm messy. But then I thought, you know what? When in doubt, use a swipe. You can save a painting with a swipe, probably 9 times out of 10. And so I threw a little more paint in the middle, and I did a starburst stripe. I kind of went out from, yeah, I'm standing on a chair to do this. I went out from the middle to the sides, and then I came back in to the middle, and then back out again. And now I just want to hit it with the torch. Maybe we can pop some more bubbles here. So that certainly did not go anywhere close to what I had planned. And I have a huge mess to clean up, but you know what? It was a learning experience for both of us. And seriously, this is kind of cool. So I'll be back with a close-up in just a minute after I climb back up and take the phone down. Be right back. All right, let's go in for a close-up. There's a lot of cool little cells. And then there's some squiggles there because I ended up tilting it just a little bit. But there's still some funky things happening. Is it the prettiest painting I've ever done? No. But it does have a lot of visual interest, and these are colors that I like. So, despite the fact that I'm going to be an hour cleaning up the mess in here, I'm taking this as a win. Thank you so much for being a part of my day today. I really appreciate that you took the time to spend with me and my art. Now, over here, or maybe over here, my face will pop out. And if you click on my nose, you'll be subscribed to my future videos, and then you won't miss any of them. There are links in the channel art and also down below in the description of where you can find me. And lastly, I just wanted to let you know, you can feel free to share my videos with those you think might like them. Like your mom, or your dad, your significant other, your cat, your dog, especially cats. If you check out my Instagram, I have proof that cats like my videos. Anyway, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.